Intro to CPT coding. Earlier, we introduced you to current procedural terminology or CPT. This expensive, important code set is published and maintained by the American Medical Association (AMA), and it is with ICD one of the most important code sets for medical coders to become familiar with. Note also that all the codes featured in this course and every course that touches on CPT codes are copyrighted by the AMA. CPT codes are used to describe tests, surgeries, evaluations, and any other medical procedure performed by a healthcare provider on a patient. As you might imagine, this code set is extremely large and it includes the codes for thousands upon thousands of medical procedures. CPT codes are an integral part of the billing process. CPT codes tell the insurance payer what procedures the healthcare provider would like to be reimbursed for. As such, CPT codes work in tandem with ICD codes to create a full picture of the medical process for the payer. This patient arrived with these symptoms as represented by the ICD code, and we performed these procedures represented by the CPT code. Like ICD codes, CPT codes are also used to track important health data and measure performance and efficiency. Government agencies can use CPT codes to track the prevalence and value of certain procedures, and hospitals may use CPT codes to evaluate the efficiency and abilities of individuals or divisions within their facility. Featured online medical coding programs format. Let's take a look a little closer at what these codes look like and how they are organized. Each CPT code is 5 characters long and may be numeric or alphanumeric, depending on which category the CPT code is in. Don't confuse with the category in ICD. Remember that in ICD codes, the category refers to the first 3 characters of the code, which describe the injury or disease documented by the healthcare provider. Which CPT category refers to the division of the code set. CPT codes are divided into 3 categories. Category 1 is the most common and widely used set of codes within CPT. It describes most of the procedures performed by healthcare providers in inpatient and outpatient offices and hospitals. Category 2 codes are supplemental tracking codes used primarily for performance management. Category 3 codes are temporary codes that describe emerging and experimental technologies, services, and procedures. Note that while Category 3 codes are temporary codes that describe emerging and experimental technologies, services, and procedures. Note that while CPT codes have 5 digits, there are not 99,000 plus codes. CPT is designed for flexibility and revision, and so there is often a lot of space between codes. Unlike ICD, each number in the CPT code does not correspond to a particular procedure or technology. Here's a closer look at the 3 categories of CPT codes. Category 1. Medical coders will spend the vast majority of their time working with Category 1 CPT codes. For the sake of simplicity, we'll refer to the CPT code book when we are describing the code set. Like the ICD code set and its division into chapters by type of injury or illness, Category 1 CPT codes are divided into 6 large sections based on which field of healthcare they directly pertain to. The 6 sections of the CPT code are in order: evaluation and management, anesthesiology, surgery, radiology, pathology, and laboratory medicine. CPT codes are for the most part grouped numerically. The codes for surgery, for example, are 10021 through 69990. In the CPT code book, these codes are listed in mostly numerical order except for the codes for evaluation and management. These evaluation and management or ENM codes are listed at the front of the code book for ease of access. Evaluation and management 99201 to 99499, anesthesia 00100 to 01999, 99100 surgery 100212 to 69990, radiology 70010 to 79999, pathology and lab 80047 to 89398, medicine 90281 to 99199, and 99500 to 99607. Within each of these code fields, there are subfields that correspond to how the topic say. Category 2. These codes are 5 character long alphanumeric codes that provide additional information to the Category 1 codes. Category 3. The third category of CPT codes is made up of temporary codes that represent emergent or experimental services, technology, and procedure.